hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be diving in and unboxing the Lush kitchen box for February. Can we believe that we're already doing the second Lush kitchen box of the year? I can't quite believe it. We only have 10 left. Like, what is happening? But I'm so excited. I have seen no spoilers, no sneak peeks. I basically avoid Instagram at all costs when it comes to this time of the month because I just don't want to ruin it for myself. But all I've done is open the box with some scissors and I haven't peeked. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Before we dive in, I do just want to give a really quick shout out to a company who is kindly sponsoring today's video, and that is Littli Official. So Littli Official are an oral care company. They focus on obviously oral care, toothbrushes and that kind of thing, and they've ever so kindly sent me 2 of their products to share with you guys, which I'm actually so incredibly excited about. And I know that sounds really lame and boring, but I'm 29 and I love a good toothbrush, so I thought I would share them with you guys, and I'm just so incredibly grateful for them for sponsoring today's video and for sending me these products. So the first one they sent me was their Littli L1, which is a super easy portable lightweight toothbrush, which I will get out now and share with you guys because I wanted to show it to you guys in the packaging because I just love the packaging. It's so simple. So this toothbrush takes 1.5 hours to charge and you get 30 days of battery life with that, so it's so convenient, especially if you're going traveling or you're going on holiday and you forget the charger. It is not really likely that you're going to run out of battery, or if you do, again, like I said, it is so easy to get hold of a USB Type-C, so I absolutely love that. As I mentioned, this is small and lightweight. It's perfectly portable as well because of how small it is, and I also love the fact that it's just such a simple toothbrush. You have one button and you're good to go. It's not one of those toothbrushes that has all the modes and the complicated settings. It's just an easy one to use, and I'm really excited to give this one a try. The second toothbrush they sent me is the Ultrasonic, which has a little bit more of a fancier box, and it doesn't come with a spare head. However, it is pink, so I feel like if you love a good colour toothbrush, this is a good one to go for. Again, it's USB Type-C, really easy to charge. It has a 1.5 hour charging time, which gives you 30 days again, so it's really convenient, especially if you're like me. And the fact that my electric toothbrush currently takes, like, it runs out of battery all the time and it is so annoying, so then I go back to using a manual toothbrush, which isn't as good. So I do love the fact that this lasts so long. The good thing with this one specifically is it does come with a self timer, so you can set it to 2 minutes and it will tell you every 30 seconds kind of when your timing is running out. As well as that, it's also waterproof. It has a magnetic lid. It has quite a few more features compared to the L1, so it depends on how much you want to spend and what kind of thing you're looking for. But I really love the idea of these, the portableness, and I still think they're a really good size considering they are portable, because even though this is quite small, I feel like it can still do a lot of the work that you need it to do, so I really love that. Obviously, don't forget to check out Littli Official on TikTok and Instagram, and they are just Littli on YouTube if you want to check them out. I will leave all their links down below in the description, and as I did say, they are sponsoring today's video, but all opinions are completely honest and my own, and I just want to make that clear while I'm talking about it. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. Now let's dive into the Lush box. So opening up the Lush box, this is what it looks like inside, and I am just gonna dive my hand in and grab some stuff out because I feel like I cannot wait anymore. I am so excited. So let's go with this one. Oh, okay, this is sticky. Why are you sticky? That makes me uncomfortable because something has exploded. Or it's wet, I don't know. So stickiness aside, this is the Love body lotion, and it says, show skin some love with creamy organic cocoa butter and the alluring scent of jasmine rose and ylang ylang absolutes. That is a hard word to say. Ylang ylang adds a heady finish that will drive them crazy. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got apple infusion, almond oil, cocoa butter, avocado butter, ylang ylang oil, lemongrass, jasmine, bergamot, rose absolute, ylang ylang absolute. Did I already say that? Oh no, ylang ylang oil, sorry. Let's have a little smell because that sounds delish. Oh, okay. I believe the Love scent we have had before. It smells quite creamy. Do you know what this smells like? And this is going to sound really weird, but Ryan really likes the Body Shop facial moisturiser in the pink packaging. I think that's vitamin C, or is it vitamin E? Vitamin E, I think. And this kind of smells like that, but actually putting it on the skin, it is a little bit more on the floral side, but that is really good. Oh no, it does smell like that. How bizarre. That smells really good though. But yeah, love body lotion, love it. I actually really like the size of this bottle, and I know that usually I would say that the bigger bottle the better, but I don't get through body lotions that quick, so that's a really, really lovely size, so I'm really excited about that. Now my hands are sticky. Next up, we have another bottle. Oh, okay, this is a medium size, so I feel very excited about it. This is the Sex Bomb Shower Gel. Now this is what I'm talking about. For a Valentine's Day month box, I absolutely love this. I think it's perfect. I love the colour, and if you didn't know, Sex Bomb Bath Bomb is a bath bomb you can buy all year round. It's beautiful, it's pink and it's purple, has a rose on top, it's so cute. And this one says, it's time to unleash your inner bombshell. Seductive jasmine, clary sage and ylang ylang in... What does that mean? Ensnare the mood? E-N-S-N-A-R-E. Ensnare the mood. I don't know what that means. But anyway, ingredients wise, this one has got jasmine flower, rose petal, ginseng root infusion, jasmine absolute, clary sage oil, ylang ylang oil, passion fruit juice, carrageenan extract. It's going to smell like Sex Bomb Bath Bomb, which I'm really excited about, so let's just get and smell it. I feel like they've really filled that to the top as well, which is nice. Ooh, that is so good as a shower gel. Wow, okay, we need this like all year round. That's really good because I really like the smell of Sex Bomb Bath Bomb, but I barely ever use it. I don't know why, but that smells absolutely delicious, and I think for the size, it's just so good. So that is the second item. We are off to a really good start. So I'm really excited. All the next products seem to be naked products, so let's just dive in and pull stuff out. Dee-dee-dee. Ooh, okay, what's this? Let's have a look. This is the Absolute Delight Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise in this one, we've got bergamot oil, geranium oil, jasmine absolute, rose absolute, and sandalwood oil. That smells really good, but kind of like familiar. So it's got a really florally smell to it. Obviously, I feel like for Valentine's Day they do focus on the floral smells, but it also smells like, imagine like a floral spa. That is what this smells like, a floral mature woman spa. It does smell really good though. I'm really excited to use that, and I love the design because they put Lush Kitchen on top. That smells incred. Yum. Okay, let's move on. This is so exciting, and I've got powder everywhere. Next up, what is that? Oh, I have to get that out because that looks so fun. What is that? What is that? Is that a hand or a foot? I don't even know. Let's see what this is. This is it's an emoji bomb, which I think is a shower bomb. This is called Sex in the Shower. I don't get the design. Am I being really naive? I don't get it. Because, like, is it a butt cheek with a hand on it? I don't know. Oh, okay. We've had that smell before. Let's read the ingredients. So, ingredients wise, we have got geranium oil, ginger oil, jasmine absolute, mimosa absolute, ylang ylang oil, juniper berry oil. It smells really good. It smells familiar. We've had this before. To any of you guys that get the kitchen box, please tell me what this is because it smells familiar. It smells good though. Really strong though, like really, really old lady like bathroom smell, but in a good way, if that makes sense. And the last item, I feel like we've gone through these really quickly. I think I'm just too excited. The last item we have is something which is sticky. This is the sticky item, so I'm going to be really careful getting this out because I don't want to get it all over myself. It's so sticky and slimy in my hand, but I'm going to go through this quickly. So this is the Ooh La La soap, and ingredients wise we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, lavender flower, honeysuckle and marigold petal infusion, red grape juice, coconut oil, rosemary oil, lavender oil, thyme oil. I think it's all these oils, but like if you can see what I mean, it's literally slipping out my fingers. So it's really, really moisturizing, but let's give it a smell. Ooh, it smells very lavendery. I mean, it has got a big stick of lavender on it, but it kind of just smells like lavender, not gonna lie. Like a French kiss bubble bar, kind of. Wait, does it smell different on the back? No, it just smells kind of like lavender, not gonna lie, but it smells really good. But this is a soap, and it is literally the slimiest thing in the world. So I'm just gonna put that down because I have got, I don't know if you guys can see it. It almost feels like a massage bar, like it's that kind of texture. It does smell good though. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for February. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below as always. I really liked this month's box. I'm really impressed with the size of the shower gel. I think when you get a medium size, it really makes it more worthwhile getting the boxes, because I just hate it when you get a small one. I think it's really annoying. But I'm really excited about it. I think they've done really well for this month, so I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below as always. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. It would absolutely make my day, and I would love to have you join my corner of the internet. So yeah, thank you so much if you have subscribed, and if you haven't, please do. And that is everything, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.